Samsung, proud sponsor of TechBusters.
Well, it's not true that nothing sucks like an Electrolux, because the best and arguably the best looking vacuum cleaners on the market are the Dysons. And Sir James Dyson was knighted for his efforts at invention. And we've got some of Dyson's finest in here with us in the studio, Michael and Adam. And you're going to show us some of the great products that Sir James has invented, starting with this futuristic looking Cyclone.
Yeah, so this is DC52, Dyson's Kinetic, and it's our latest Cyclone technology. So essentially, through every single one of these cyclones, the air is spun up to 140,000 G. So you would fall unconscious about 8. So as the air passes through, each of these individual little rubber tips shake and oscillate, and all of that dirt that could get trapped if you make them too small, all falls into the bin.
Okay.
So for the lifetime of this machine, you'll never have to maintain a filter or wash a filter whatsoever.
And it just keeps sucking the dust, and you empty it through that plastic container. All
you'll have to do is all the dust and dirt will drop into the bottom of the bin, and you just push the red button, and everything just opens up and pops into the bin. My
God, that's so easy to use. Even Aki Anastasio could use something like that. And then, of course, the next great invention is the air multiplier, which I have tried myself. It's a very clever thing, and it's not a fan, very specifically.
No, it's a fan and a heater.
Yes.
So it's incredibly versatile for all seasons. But the way it works is what's more special, really. We have what we call air multiplier technology. So the air gets drawn in through here, sucked up through the motor, and then we blast it out of this tiny little aperture at the back of the machine.
Yes.
Now, this surface here, we call it an aerofoil. It's much like an aeroplane wing, so we accelerate the air really quickly across that surface. It leaves a little negative pressure area back here, which sucks in air through the back and through the front. So you multiply the air that you
blow out. And I've tried it. I mean, I used it as a fan. It was as a heater. It was highly efficient, and it didn't give that kind of jattery thing that fans. Buffeting.
Everyone hates buffeting.
Oh my God, you know all the right words. but I mean, that's quite a dinky version of that Cyclone. I mean, I suppose that's it's kind of
this is our
psychedelically coloured.
Yeah, latest cordless technology, and this is what we believe to be the future of floor care. We spent a huge amount of time and effort producing a really fantastic digital motor, a Dyson digital motor.
I don't know what it was, but I just want one. You know, look at it.
And this, you're right, has the performance of a full-size machine. So it has great versatility and does a really fantastic job.
And how often do people say, is that a vacuum cleaner, or are you just happy to see me?
Yeah, sometimes. Maybe not to me, but I think Mikey gets it more than I do.
I mean, that's really something. I mean, I just look at it and think I want one, even it's because it looks like it's off the set of Aliens, and it's probably some kind of futuristic gun.
Yeah, that's a really interesting thing.
Was that my inner Oscar Pistorius speaking? Please excuse me.
Yeah, our products look good, but we always talk about the fact that the form follows the function. So we produce products that work fantastically well and just happen to look pretty good.
I mean, look at the top of that Cyclone. I think that's a piece of design genius. You know, I should have listened to my architect mother and been an architect. But I mean, that is exactly what the technology does. And just by like not encasing it in a big lump of plastic, you see what it looks like, and it just adds to the kind of visual appeal of what it does.
Yeah, certainly. And yeah, the aesthetics are an important part, as well as the ergonomics. You know, it's designed to be held in the hand. It's like we equate it sometimes like a sword. All of the bulk and the mass is here, where your hand is. So it's much easier to move around, rather than some traditional machines who have the weight at the bottom.
Very good. I mean, it just looks really fantastic. So, I mean, the thing is that this kind of technology has been pioneered. People try to license it. Is there business in licensing it? Is Dyson really, as some people have called it, the Apple of home appliances? You're going to keep your very quality, high premium products to yourself, to your own manufacturing excellence? Yeah,
I mean, the answer is yes, and one of the main problems that we have is people trying to steal our ideas. You know, we invest a huge amount of time and effort and passion to come up with some really new, innovative designs, and keeping those ideas secret is one of the things that we really try and work hard on.
Well, great. Well, there you have it. So magnificent is the Dyson vacuum cleaner and fan air multiplier, that we're actually talking about it on a high-tech, high-gadget show. And most pleasing of all, as Aki Anastasio watching this for the first time will hear, it's so simple, even Aki Anastasio can use it.